So I took the cover off, and then so here's the radiator, and from the driver's side of the radiator, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, the yellow knob right there, you're gonna unscrew that, and then the radiator fluid is gonna be dripping down. Actually, no, there's a drain right there into it, and let it drain onto the bucket you wanna collect the old fluid in. So I just used this tube I got from Home Depot. So I put the tube in to the drain plug right there in the radiator. You'll be turning this thing, yellow thing, counterclockwise. And the liquid starts spilling out of that drain. Remove the cap up there, so it's gonna drain much faster. Right here. Let's see. Open this. Be careful when the engine is hot. You don't want to do this. My engine. And then you come. Once you shut off the plug, you'll come to the back of the oil pan. This is the oil filter, and you come down and you will find the drain plug right there, and then you'll connect the hose right there and do the draining process again. And then using the wrench, just open the valve, the fluid comes out just like that, and I'm just gonna let it drain for 15 minutes again, and I'll be back. It's about, so it's not draining anymore in the back too, so I'm gonna shut that off. I'm gonna take out this. Put this on the side like this. make sure this thing goes to the top. So after that thing is tightened, we just put the funnel onto this thing. Make sure that the valves are closed, and just pour the antifreeze. I use this one. Tube, which is narrower than the one I used. The previous one is a little wider, but this one fits perfect. It's a little thinner. The size, I don't know. The valve right here. You just need to tighten. I'm gonna add some more fluid. Bubbles are coming out. So there's no more bubbles coming out. I'm gonna shut it off. So it has been 3 weeks since I fixed the thermostat housing leak. Yep, things are good. So first, I thought the radiator fluid leak was coming from the water pump, but I replaced the water pump, but the leak was still going. So I put the dye in the radiator fluid, and I found the leak coming from the behind of the thermostat housing unit. And then I decided to replace the thermostat, and then this one is the old one. It doesn't look bad, it's just cracked right here. and the thermostat was working fine, but on the process I might as well just replace the thermostat too, because these things can fail after certain miles. This Prius has 200,000 miles. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day.